Another thing that I do in the summary, by the way, I'll put, hey, I want to work remotely, because that's an opportunity for you to say that. Another thing you can do is say, hey, I have a security clearance. Like, you want to put the security clearance right up top if you can. So you can put that in the summary. Right here, you just put summary. This is ATS style resume. This is it right here. You put the name, you put the contact information, you put a summary, you put education up top, you know, in this style right here. And the reason why the format of this matters is because when your resume is uploaded onto these sites, if you put it on Indeed, that's another thing you need to do. You need to put it on Indeed, you need to put it on Monster, Dice, LinkedIn, and you need to put it on as many sites. If you don't have a job, your job should be to put this on as many sites as possible. That's what you should be doing. Okay, another thing I show you how to do is how to protect yourself, because one thing that's happening right now lately is these freaking scammers scamming people to get their social security number so they can do identity theft and all that kind of stuff. So I've never fallen prey to that, because the way that I do my resume, I don't put my real name. This is crazy. I don't see anybody doing what I'm saying. I do not put my real name on the sites. I don't do that until when I'm talking to a screener, like maybe the second interview, then they know my real name. They do not know my real name till I'm on the second interview a lot of times, right? Because I'm screening them as they're screening me. Like, I'm screening the organization as I do not put my real phone number. I might even put a different email address, like a fake throwaway email address. Like, you can even do that, but I put an alias. I put an alias, something similar to my name, but it's not my actual name. I do not put my real phone number. I'll put Google Voice. I tell you how to do all of this in this book.